Hi, I'm Amber Russell, the founder of LOAR. I want to thank you for trusting us with your case. I know that this can be a very challenging time, and we're going to guide you every step of the way. In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction of what to expect as we move forward together. You received this video along with an email, and that email includes everyone that's a part of your team here at LOAR. While the attorney will be your primary point of contact, be sure to reply all in emails so that the entire team can see your communication. That allows us to serve you best and get back to you as quickly as possible. Separately, you'll also be receiving an email allowing you to create a portal into My Case. My Case is the case management software we use to track your case from start to finish. It is your go-to resource where you can upload important documents, whether it's crash reports, insurance documents, photographs. All of those will go directly to your team. It also allows you to message us directly via text message from your phone, direct message through the app. I recommend downloading the app as well. It's a much easier format to use on your phone than going through the Safari or Google Chrome. The journey of a personal injury claim is a marathon, not a sprint. So let's talk about what the timeline generally looks like in one of these cases. First, there's the investigation phase. This is when the attorneys and the paralegals will be sending out open records requests, going and doing scene investigations, basically gathering everything we can to determine what went wrong and who is responsible for your injuries. At the same time, you're going to be prioritizing your treatment. Keep your team up to date on medical providers you're seeing, changes in diagnosis. If you have trouble finding a healthcare provider that will take your insurance or somebody that would see you because it involves a personal injury claim, let us know. Your team can help with that, and our #1 priority is making sure that you are getting the treatment you need. Once you finish treatment, that's when we move into the demand phase. This is where our team will gather all of that investigation material, all of the injury damages components that you've provided, that we've gotten from your medical providers. We're going to put all of that into one comprehensive letter and demand that they resolve your case. If your case is not resolved in this phase, we're going to go into litigation. You're going to be kept in the loop on that. We'll take time to answer any questions you have about it. During the litigation phase, that doesn't mean we have to go to trial, but we're preparing for it. And then all along the way, seeing if there is any opportunity to resolve your case. And now that we've taken on your case, the other side should not be contacting you at all. So if a defense attorney, a claims adjuster, or even the negligent party were to reach out to you, let it go to voicemail and let your team know right away. They are not allowed to contact you directly. That's one of the ways that they will try to get information about your case when all of that should flow through your law firm. The other way they'll try to get information is through publicly available data. And the main source for that now is social media. So be very wary about any postings. Do not post anything about the incident. Do not post anything about your injuries. And be mindful of all postings, knowing that at some point, whether it's in the early phases or in litigation, someone on the other side is going to be looking at your social media to try to help build their case. I know this process can feel overwhelming, so don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact your team via email, message us through the app, call us. Just don't suffer in silence. We're here for you. And thank you again for trusting LOAR.